Hi all, in this video we are going to draw perspective projection of a rectangular pyramid. The question is, a rectangular pyramid base 30 mm into 20 mm and axis 35 mm long is placed on the ground plane on its base, with the long edge of the base parallel to and 15 mm behind the picture plane. The center plane is 30 mm to the left of the apex and the station point is 50 mm in front of the picture plane and 25 mm above the ground plane. Draw the perspective view of the pyramid. From the question, we can see that the longer edge of the base of pyramid is parallel to and 15 mm behind the picture plane. So in the top view, we can see a rectangle with longer edge parallel to the picture plane. And in front view, we can see a triangle. Okay, first I am drawing the picture plane and I am naming it as PP. In the top view, we can see a rectangle with the longer edge parallel to and 15 mm behind the picture plane. So for the construction purpose, I am drawing a line parallel to picture plane and 15 mm behind it. Now I am drawing the top view of the pyramid, which is a rectangle with the longer edge parallel to the picture plane. The length of the rectangle is 30 mm and width is 20 mm. We can also see the lateral edges of the pyramid, so I am drawing it. Okay, I am marking the apex of the pyramid as O and corners of the base are marked as A, B, C and D. Okay, now I am going to mark the dimensions of the base. The length of the base is 30 mm and width is 20 mm. Okay, now I am marking the distance of the rectangle from the picture plane, which is 15 mm. Question says that the center plane is 30 mm to the left of the apex of the pyramid. So I am drawing the center plane, which is 30 mm to the left of the apex. Question says that the station point is 50 mm in front of the picture plane. So I am drawing a line which is parallel to the picture plane and 50 mm in front of it. And the point of intersection is marked as SP, which is the station point in top view. Now I am drawing the ground line and it is marked as GL. Question says that the front view of the station point is 25 mm above the ground line and lies on the center plane. So I am drawing a line parallel to the ground line and the point of intersection with the center plane is marked as SP dash, which is the front view of the station point. Now we have to draw front view of the pyramid. So I am drawing projection lines from top view. We know the length of the axis or height of the pyramid, which is 35 mm. So in front view, we can see a triangle of height 35 mm. The apex of the pyramid is marked as O dash, and in front view we can see point A. So A dash is marked, but we cannot see point D, so D dash in bracket, and also we can see point B dash and we cannot see point C dash. Now I am drawing visual ray from point A to SP, and the point of intersection of visual ray with the picture plane is marked as A1. Similarly, I am drawing a visual ray from point D to SP, and the point of intersection of the visual ray with picture plane is marked as D1. Now I am drawing visual ray from point O to SP, and the point of intersection of visual ray with picture plane is marked as O1. And visual ray from point C to SP intersect the picture plane at C1. Visual ray from B to SP intersect the picture plane at B1. Now I am going to draw vanishing lines from all points of the front view to SP dash. Projection line from O1 will meet the vanishing line O dash SP dash at capital letter O. Projection line from A1 intersect the vanishing line from A dash SP dash at capital letter A. Projection line from D1 will intersect the vanishing line D dash SP dash at capital letter D. Projection line from C1 will intersect the vanishing line C dash SP dash at capital letter C. Projection line from B1 will intersect the vanishing line B dash SP dash at capital letter B. Now we have marked all the points of the perspective view, and we are going to view the solid in that direction. Therefore, we can see the face OAB and OAD. Therefore, I am drawing thick lines for drawing the edges OA, OB and AB. We can also see the face OAD, so I am drawing thick lines for OD and AD. We cannot see the edges OC, CB and CD, so I am drawing dotted lines. This is the perspective view of the rectangular pyramid. It is marked as capital letters O, A, B, C and D. Now I am going to mark the dimensions. I am marking the dimension of length of the axis or height of the pyramid. I am also marking the distance of station point from picture plane and also from the ground line, which is 50 mm and 25 mm respectively. You also have to mark the distance of the center plane from the apex of the pyramid, which is 30 mm. I forgot to dimension that. Okay, I hope you understood the drawing. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon also. Thank you.